Want to beat the heat this summer? We got you. Come with us to unbox and learn how to set up your very own Toyotomi Portable Air Conditioner that's going to keep you cool and cozy all summer. This model is a dual hose air conditioner, which is more energy efficient than the traditional single hose machines. The extra hose on this AC brings in fresh air from outside to cool the compressor, as opposed to single hose units, which takes away cold air from within your home. You won't lose any cool air because it recycles the air in your room. For you, this means your room gets to your desired temperature faster. There are a few parts we need to assemble to get the AC ready for use. Starting off, this is the window panel kit, which is pretty much pre-built. All you have to do is extend it and screw each side in place. In your box, you'll also find two duct hoses. The larger of the two is the exhaust duct hose, and the smaller is the intake. We need to attach both hoses to the window panel kit, which has a unique opening for each size hose. Connect them by aligning the side of the corresponding hose with the notches to the window panel kit. The next step is to attach the other end of each hose to the AC unit. Similarly, this is done by sliding the hose into the notches attached to the machine. Don't forget to turn the dial to lock each of the hoses in place. Now you're ready for your final step. Once you've picked which window you want to attach your AC to, ensure that the window panel kit is securely fastened. Controlling the AC is just as easy as assembling it, and conveniently, you have two options you can alternate between. The first is using the provided remote control, which you'll also have to set up. The two AAA batteries that the remote needs are already included in the box. With the remote, it's as simple as pressing the power button on the top to turn the AC on and off. The same button can be found on the top left of the operation panel. When you first turn on the machine, Fahrenheit is the default temperature view. Change it to Celsius by simultaneously holding down the plus and minus buttons until you see it change. The plus and minus buttons let you adjust the timer and temperature. When clicked independently, you can turn your AC up to a maximum of 32 degrees or a minimum of 16 degrees Celsius. To set an automatic shut-off time for your AC, press the timer button before using the plus and minus buttons to adjust your desired time. This machine has 3 operation modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan. The setting that's currently set will be indicated on the screen. Once you're happy with your settings, you can choose how you want your air deflected by adjusting the louvers towards the desired direction. And there you have it. Congratulations on setting up your very own air conditioner. Your home is now ready for summer heat. Want your own Toyotomi Portable Air Conditioner? Visit forumappliances.com or come shop in store.